Okay, so we used like a flex sensor controlled robot basically, and we use voltage divider boards to connect the wires to the flex sensors.
Where's the voltage divider board?
These three.
Okay. And the flex sensors are where?
In the fingers, they're woven through the glove, and then you have the wires connecting to the voltage dividers, and then they're hot glued at the end.
Perfect. Okay, so show us what it does.
Oh my god, it's off. So when you bend your left finger, it'll veer left, and then when you bend your right finger, it'll veer right. And then it goes forward when you bend your middle finger, and it's supposed to go faster the more you bend, and it's kind of noticeable, but like not really, so.
Oh, I can hear it change. Cool. And during the open house, you had them driving around obstacles and stuff like that?
Yep.
Beautiful. All right, nice job.